Studio Marshal Dr. Vilasin, that it is the President Department of President Faculty of Agriculture Republic Women's Institute Japan Rajasthan. Today we discuss about the Datura, botanical name of Datura metal, family Solanaceae and कुल कंटकारी कुल नाम हिंदी में अपन इसको धतूरा के नाम से जानते हैं. Now, पर्याय synonyms and its meaning. First is Datur, root. It reflects the dhatu of the body, so it is called Datur. Unmat, that which causes intoxications, so it is called Unmat. Kankaha, all the synonyms of gold is used for this plant, so it is called Kankaha. Devta, that which having Devai quality, so it is called Devta. Kitwa makes a person mad, so it is called Kitwa. Turi, the flowers have the shape of trunk, so it is called Turi. Mahamoi causes severe hallucinations, so it is called Mahamoi. Shivpriya, favorite flower of Lord Shiva, or flowers are used to worship Lord Shiva, so it is called Shivpriya. Matulaha, Madne, it is highly toxic, so it is called Matulaha Madne. Three push flowers appearing three together, so it is called three push. Kantapalaya, fruits having spines on it, so it is called Kantapalaya. Kharjug, Kharjuratn, removes itching sensation or external application. Kanak seeds are yellow in color. Vyalaha, it is fatal to some animals, so it is called Vyalaha. Ghantapush, the flowers are funnel shaped, so it is called Ghantapush. Talpalay, the fruits will be hanging downwards, so it is called Talpalay. Main features, the flowers are funnel shaped, look like a trumpet, and appearing three together. The flowers are used to worship Lord Shiva. Fruits are spinous and hanging downwards. Seeds are highly toxic, depletes dhatu of the body and fatal to someone animal, removes itching on external application. Bait varieties. According to Rajnigantu, five varieties are mentioned depending on the color of the flower as Swet, Neel, Krishna, Rakt and Peep. He mentioned that Krishna Pushp is the best variety. Dhanvantri Nigantu mentions no varieties. Acharya Charak does not mention Dhatura but mention Kanak. The commentators have given many meaning of Kanak. Acharya Shushru has mentioned in Alatvish, botanically the following species are identified: Datura stramonium, Datura metal, and Datura inoxia. Regarding the properties, regarding the properties, there is no much difference. Datura metal regarded as the most poisonous of all species. Habitat Utpatti Sthan, highly restrict of central and south India, especially in temperate and warmer regions of India. Habit Swaroop, whole plant densely clothed with grayish tomentum, stem erect 3 to 4 feet high, south herbaceous, terete leaves 6 to 8 inches long, ovate, lanceolate or broadly ovate, acuate or acuminate, unequal at the base and often cordate, entire air ribbon, dentate, densely tomentosed on the both the face, generally glandular petioles, 2 to 2.5 inches to 3.5 inches long, pedicels at first erect afterwards, the middle persistent and reflex in fruit. Teeth lanceolate, acuminate, unequal, corolla above twice as long as the teeth. White ringed with green below, pubescent outside, limb, 10 tooth capsule globulus, nodding covered with longer rather slender spines. Now, उपयुक्त अंग बीज पुष्प and patra. Description of the parts. Terminal parts of the plant having cylindrical, divergently branched stems of greenish purple color, bearing leaves, flowers and fruits. Leaves large up to 12 centimeter long and 9 centimeter broad, cinnate, dentate, irregularly lobed. Flowers trumpet shaped up to 9 centimeter long, having irregularly lobed. Flowers trumpet shaped up to 9 centimeter long, having double corolla of purplish brown colors. Fruit globular of varying size, having a tuber cell surface with short buff stiff spines. Flowers and fruits are borne on the forks of the branches. Odor strong and pointed, taste bitter. Bees are ear-shaped and kindly and kidney-shaped, laterally compressed up to 6 mm long and 1 mm thick. The surface is finely pitted and marked with a series of shallow reticulations. The color of the bees ranges from yellowish to dark brown. Odor, fugit, taste acrid and pungent. The drug is sometimes sold along with capsules and packed with seeds. Description of the part: terminal part of the plant having cylindrical and divertically branched stems of greenish purple color, bearing leaves, flowers and fruits. Leaves large up to 12 centimeter long and 9 centimeter broad, pinnate, dentate, irregularly long. Flowers trumpet shaped up to 9 centimeter long, having double corolla of purplish brown color. Fruits globular, of varying size, having a tuber cell surface with short but stiff spines. Flowers and fruits are borne on the fork of the branches, odor strong and quality taste bitter. These are ear-shaped or kidney-shaped, laterally compressed up to 6 mm long and 1 mm thick. The surface is finely pitted and marked with a series of shallow reticulations. The color of the bees ranges from yellowish to dark brown, odor quietly taste acrid and pungent. The drug is sometimes sold along with capsules and packed with seeds. Good properties: मधुर कटु कषाय and वीर्य उष्ण गुण तिक्त रुक्ष and गुरु विपाक कटु दोष कर्मता कफवात शामक रोगग्नकर्मता पांगुली reactions मादक and vrण्य वात कारक and जठराग्निवर्धक, ज्वरग्न, कुष्ठग्न, विषग्न, कृमिघ्न, श्वासग्न, वेदना स्थापन and संज्ञानाशक and कास है. आम्लिक प्रयोग therapeutic uses. It is useful in tamak swas. The leaves are used as dhumrapan in tamak swas. In jwar, which comes frequently, it is given with curds. In udar pistachmiri shul, and vrak shul, it is given to relieve the pain. The shoth, a paste of leaves, is applied. It reduces the swelling and pain. In amvat, sandhi shoth, adhaman, and Fufusavran showed Nadi Shul, Bragrasi, etc. Formation gives with quart of the leaves. Patra is bounded on the part or an oil is applied on the part. The oil prepared with the leaves used externally in charm robe and Vatvyadi. It is useful in Unmad and Dhanurvat and Jal Santras, etc. Matra B churn 500 to 50 to 100 milligram, पत्र चूर्ण 50 to 200 milligram. औषध योग formulations: कनकासव, सूप से कर रस and ज्वरांकुश रस, लक्ष्मी विलास रस, कनक सुंदर रस, कनक तेल. Chemical constituents: alkaloids, propene alkaloid, hyoscyamin, etc. and fructoid. Substitute and adulterations: Datura innoxia, a more commonly growing species, is the main adulterant. More often it constitutes the exclusive component of commercial sample. The material differ from genuine drug. It is having hairy leaves and stem of dirty green color, long tender spines covering the fruits and 11 lobed white corolla. Kala Datura seeds are sometimes confounded with the seeds of Datura stramonium, especially when sold under the name of Pharmacopoeia stramonium. These are, however, smaller in size, bake in color, and have a thin testa. The seed of Datura metal are commonly adulterated with those of Datura innoxia, a more commonly occurring species. The seed in this case are more often big and have an almost smooth surface. Shodhan Karma purification. The seeds are purified in Dolayatra with sheet. Uh, which Lakshan talks symptoms on excessive dose causing dryness of the throat, giddiness, flushing on the face, and concentration of the pupil, unconsciousness, and death. And this chikitsa treatment, woman should be done by Amasya Prakshalan. Uttejak medicine should be given. Cold water should be sprinkled on the face. Artificial respiration should be given. Sheet breath should be given with sugar and sharp achan. Guduchi, Jambi, Suarez should be given. Buttermilk also be given. Bhav Prakash Nigan to says about Datura, Dalur, Dhut, Datura, Ummat, Kanka Have, Devta, Kitab, Sturi, Mahamoi, Shivpriya, Matulo, Madanash, Ashya Falo, Matul, Putra Kahe, Daturo, Madvarna, Agni, Vat, Prajwar, Pushtanut, Kashayo, Madhu, Tikto, Yuka, Liksha, Vinash Kahe, Vushno, Guru, Vrana, Shleshma, Kandu, Krimi, Vishaka. This is all about Datura. Now we discuss about Parsi Kiyavani. Parsi Kiyavani. Hyoscyamus niger. Botanical name Hyoscyamus niger and family Sonelacea. कुल कंटकारी कुल हिंदी में इसको खुरासानी अजवाइन बोलते हैं खुरासानी अजवाइन पारसी की वनी है यानी इट्स ग्रोज इन पर्शिया तुरस्का ग्रोज इन तुर्की मधकार्नी it causes intoxication मधकार्नी main feature the plant grows in Persia and Turkey the fruits causes intoxication habit habitat उत्पत्ति स्थान usually grown in Persia and Turkey. It is also found above 11,000 feet in Himalaya under cultivation during cold season. Habit, Swarup, and erect, more or less hairy and viscid heart with a disagreeable. Heavy odor, stem robust 0.3 to 0.9 mm. Radical leaves spreading, stalk, oblong, 15 to 20 centimeter, coarsely sinuate toothed. Stem leaf, smaller, sessile, ovate, irregularly pinnified, passing into bracket. Flowers pale yellow, green, veined with purple darker in the center. Nearly sessile, lower ones in the fork of the branches, upper solitary in the axil of leaf-like brackets, forming lobes. One-sided spikes rolled back at the top before flowering, ultimately becoming elongated and straight. Calyx 2 centimeter tube, ovoid limb, funnel shaped, 5 toothed, corolla funnel shaped limb spreading 2.5 to 3.2 centimeter across, locked 5 broad, short, slightly unequal stamens, protruding ovary 2-sided style longer than the stamens. Capsules 1.3 centimeter diameter, enclosed in the globulus tube of the enlarged calyx. Lower part membranous, top hard, rigid, opening transversely along the constriction between the two portions. उपयुक्त and part used bees पत्र. Description of the part: bees laterally compressed, oval or slightly kidney-shaped seeds up to 1.5 mm in diameter. Surface of the testa in grayish brown in the color, having fine wavy reticulations. The embryo is curved like the figure of 9, while albumen is oily. Odor is tobacco-like, ester, arid, bitter, and oily. The properties the properties of Parsippany. Firstly, we discuss about Ras. Ras is thick, Katu, and Kashai. Then Vipak. Vipak is Katu, Gun, Guru, Ruksh, and Prabhav, Madak. Virya is Ocean. Dosh, Kamta, Kapwa, Shamak. Rogan, Karmta, pharmacological reactions. Pachak, Ruchya, Grahi, Madak, Vedana Sthapan, Vikasi, Deepan, Balya, Kramigna, and Hridaya. That's all about pharmacological action of Yavani, Parshik Yavani, your Khurasani Ajwain. आम एक प्रयोग therapeutic uses. It is used as Vedanaस्थापन and निद्राजनक. It is useful in उन्माद, अपस्मार, अपतंत्रक, आक्षेप, नाड़ीशूल, मस्तिष्क रोग, मानसिक रोग. It is useful in uh, Suskas, Swas, etc. In Prakshob occurring in Basti Shod, it is given with Yavaksha, Patha and Guduchi in smaller dose useful in Hridarog. It is useful in दष्टार्थव अनियमितार्थव स्तन्यशोथ अंधशोथ यकृत विकार संधिशोथ in excessive doses it acts as intoxication causes hallucination and unconsciousness and causes death. This should be usually carefully in Vriddha Bal and Daurbalya patients. In Krimi it is given with good Matra dose Churan 250 milligram to 1 gram only. It is very important. Aushadhi formulations uh, Supari Park and Mustade Das and Amrit Bhallatak and Mala Tail and Prakshar Parshidi Manichuran. Chemical constants hyoscine, hyoscine, scopolamine, substitute and adulterations. Commercially available material, especially that is imported from West Asia consists of seeds of Physomus muticaceous, which are much larger in size, despoiled, tuberculate, and yellow in color. The drug is also sometimes adulterated with seeds of Gynandropus gynandra, which are globular and brownish black in color and have mustard-like taste. Then Bhauprakash Nigantu says about Parsi की यवानी टू यवानी सदृशी गुण विशेषात आचनी रुचा ग्रहिणी मादिनी गुरु. This is all about uh, Parsi Kivani. Today's we discuss two topics. First is Datura and second is Parsi Kivani. Both are very important. So you should remember all of the topics like botanical name, family name, and synonyms, and Swaroop, habit, habitat, and the properties, and the pharmacological actions, formulations, and doses, and one classical reference also. So today's discussion is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur, Rajasthan. I hope you all are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it soon. Thank you.